Ooh wee, man, check it out. What are the odds, man? What are the odds? Look at that. What we got here? 79 Caprice and a 76 Caprice. Damn. I'm gonna do this one first and I'll do a video on that one. Look at that. For the most part, this car is just dirty, dingy, filthy, nasty. Same with this one, but I wonder if they came from the same place. That front end looks good. Oh yeah. I think I saw a full set of the matching hubcaps there. So yeah, man. If there are any dents on it, they're pretty light. This windshield is not cracked. There's the VIN on it. Is that the same VIN that's right here? I think is it? I think it is. Yeah, she's been sitting for a while. It looks like no hail damage. I haven't been in this yard in about a week, man, but man, I wonder when they got these, because look at that. Oh, crack right there, a little piece broken off. Still though, man, look how straight that car is. Look at that. Bumper looks good. I said tail lights straight. Deck lid looks okay. Yeah, man. If she got any dents, they're small. They are small. All the trims there that I can see, yeah. Full set of the hubcaps. Missing this one right here, this emblem. I think all the glass is good on it. I got the keys for both of them. Luckily, nobody snagged them. Let's see, is this it for this one? No, it's for the other one. There's that one. So I didn't have the RPO codes up here, man. They didn't start doing that till later. Oh, Craftsman, I'll take that. Anything else? Anything else? Nah. I don't see nothing else. But yeah, trunk was good, man. You know. Get these keys here in case somebody walks up while I'm doing this video and decides to take the keys with them. Inside, looks like they started to take. They ganked that. The radio bezel, radio and the control panel for the AC and heating. Here's some of the parts here. Vinyl. Headliner's gone. Straight up bench seat. Yep. There's the lens for the gauge cluster. There's the bezel. Some more odds and ends. Here's your glass vents. Oh, see the, call it over there. I wonder if let's call this back, it's under here. Oh, it's not. I was looking for the build sheet on it. Door closes good though. Yeah, this one does too. I don't see any, so I don't really see, I see a light dent right there. The radio right here. There's your control panel. Bunch of crap here. Nothing of interest. There's there's your owner's manual, 79. Old school light. Yeah. Go around the other way. How's this door panel look? It's decent. The weather done got to it. Dash is cracked. Let's go around the other way. But not too bad, you know. Yeah, man, this car's solid, man. Yeah. Got a new filter. I think that's a new filter in there. That's a new filter. This one is, hey, not damaged. Usually they're broken right there or there or there, and this one is not broken. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Good deal on that one. There's that window. Girls look good. Yeah. Both the side mirrors are okay. It's messed up down there. I had one of these covers for the dash. Put that in the back here. Slide this on back here. Put this down. Take this one out. Yeah, man. Like I said, same. They took that off. Started messing with that, but oh, I got a thermometer here. Is that a good one? Heck yeah, man. Look at that. It says USA, Middlefield, Cooper. Heck yeah. Could always use another one of those. Yeah, nothing good here. Nothing bueno here. A dime. Can't say no to a dime. I think that's it. Oh, here's. Oh, crap. Oh, come on. What's that? Yeah. Not a tilt, but, you know. Not in, like I said, man, this car is not in that bad a shape, man. Not in that bad a shape. Heck no. Don't deserve to get crushed, I'll tell you that. She don't deserve to get crushed. Let's look underneath real quick. Just, I know some people I want to think, well, she's probably rusted the crap underneath. She's a Texas car, not really. Oh. I don't think so, man. This car looks solid. Yeah, the floors look solid, man. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Alright. Now let's take a quick look underneath and wrap this baby up. And it does say 1979. But I don't know what engine it's got because I can't read that. So what do we think? 305? I feel like it might have been new at one point. You know, not too long after. I don't know what the deal was going on here, man. There's the valve cover. But, you know. Ooh. Is that all sludgy? It's a little bit sludgy. Yeah, she's a little bit sludgy. Just a little bit. I don't know what I don't know what's going on here. Things that make you go, Didn't I get that from In Living Color? Yeah. Yeah. Dirty, but, you know. Come on. Get in there. Alright. There we go. Oh, man. That's a shame on this car. I know some people aren't into box Chevys. You know, Caprices and Impalas of these from 77 on to 1990. You know, that hood, man. Look at that hood. I don't think there's anything wrong with that hood. Shoot, man. Will this fit mine? Will this fit the later ones? You know, like the Indy of the 80s. You know, the 89. Cause shoot, man, I needed a. But you know what? This car doesn't deserve to get parted out, man. You know what doesn't? Man, there it is, man. What's gonna happen to this one? I don't know. Somebody might step up to the plate. I'm curious to see what they'd want for it. Yeah. Alright, man, we're gonna do that one next right there. Alright, man. Till the next one, which will be that one.